Hey Debbie, how's it going? This is Lucas. This is the video I was telling you about of the three little things that I found on your website that it's really easy to fix for you guys. And by that, you will be beating Lars Remodel, which if you look for San Diego Kitchen Remodel, these guys are your top competitor. They show in the first place here on the MacPack and on the organic results, even though they show on the fourth, fifth position up here, they'll be on the very top in no time because they're outperforming by far all these guys online. All right, you'll see why by the end of this video. But you may wonder why I make this video for you guys. This is because I know a lot of business owners are really busy taking care of their business and their customers, so they don't really have time to learn how to use the internet to bring them more business. And also, when it gets time to hire somebody to do that for them, they don't really know who's an expert and who's not. Because if you don't have experience, it's really hard to tell. So I like to make these educational videos for business owners and send it to them for free so they can take all this information. And a lot of them, they like to just take it and apply it themselves. But some of them, they contact me back and they have me doing it for them. So that said, I'm okay with either one. I just do this because I love to help small businesses. And that said, let's go with the video. I'm going to talk about the three main things that the Google search engine uses in order to rank a website at the very top that you can implement on your website in order to start beating everybody. That would be content, backlinks, and citations. Content would be everything that is on your website, okay? On this page for kitchen remodeling, that is all the text, pictures, how the pictures are saved as, and what is behind the pictures. And as you see, you have 814 words. Usually, Google, for the pages that rank at the very top, they like to see about 2,000 words of keyword-rich content, okay? So if you take Lars Remodel and you paste it over here on the same word counter, you can see that they have about 1,500 words of keyword-rich content. So those two, what I mean by keyword rich, what you need to do is you find terms like San Diego Kitchen Remodel and similar stuff. That is the terms that people are looking up regarding the services that you're offering, okay? And then you drop those terms several times within those 2,000 words of content on your front page. That way, when somebody look up those terms on Google, Google can find your website and show it to them. The second thing I want to talk about is the backlinks. Backlinks are basically another website mentioning your website on a link that when somebody clicks on it, drives the traffic back to your site. All right. And that works kind of like a popularity contest. Google loves to see a bunch of relevant websites vouching for you. And by that, I mean you can get a backlink for any website that mentions you, but Google takes in more consideration and gives you more trust and power with them when companies or websites on the same business mention you. So for that, you can get a backlink for a website that talks about shoes or food, but it would be way more powerful if another remodeling company or construction company or websites or another website that posts articles about remodeling put a link to your website on their website. Okay. So for the backlinks, you can go here. Ahrefs is the tool we use to check them. I can put your website right here, and I see that you have 24 referring domains. This means that 24 websites out there had at some point on their website a link that you can click and it takes you back over here. If you go to Lars Remodel, you can see that they have 73. All right. So how you can close that gap and beat them? It's as simple as you go here and you copy them. You go through every single one of these pages. You made a profile and you put a link to your website on that profile. Okay. And then once you're done copying them, because if these links are good to rank them, they're good to rank you. Okay. So once you're done copy them, you just add some extra ones in order to beat them. And that way, with the content, with all the keywords and the same links plus another extra, you would be getting the first spot right over here in no time. All right. The third thing I want to tell you about is citations. Citations is what it makes you pop over here. In order to get on the very first spot here, you will need to get more citations than your competition. By that, you just need to go put your business information in more directories all throughout the web than your competitors. So you can just go to like yellow pages, white pages, Facebook, Yelp, all those are directories. And a citation is, as I just said, yes, putting your business information in there. The best way to do it is you take a tool to check the citations of your competitors, and then you just the same with the backlinks. You copy all of them, And then in this situation, I would say add at least 100 more. So let's say these guys had 150 citations. Me personally, I would make at least 300. That way, when they realize that you outrank them and they try to start building more citations to catch up with you because you're gonna do it manually, you start doing that again, and that would be making really, really hard for them to catch up with you ever, you know? Then over here, let's do a little recap, okay? All you need to do is put 2,000 words. You have some content already, but put 2,000 words of keyword rich content. Then build a healthy, strong backlink profile by you can start doing it by copy the backlinks of your competitors and then adding some new ones on top. And then in order to get here, which is also completely for free, that is the good part of this part. Yeah, you just need to do more citations than your competition. So just copy the ones they have and add at least an extra 100. So if you like what I just told you and you want to take this information and use it for yourself, please feel free to get this education for free and do it. But if you feel that I have the knowledge or you want my help to get there, feel free to contact me. I'll leave you my phone number and my email, and I'll be more than happy to help you. Also, my recommendation, if you're interested in this, is get started as soon as possible because these things take time to implement, and the sooner you are done with it, the sooner you're going to be starting to get all that extra business and extra calls. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed it.